If Firefox View feels a little cluttered or you just want a cleaner browsing experience, this video is going to show you exactly how to disable it in Mozilla Firefox. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and browser tutorials. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, click into the address bar at the top of the browser. This is where we're going to access Firefox's advanced settings. Now type about :config and then press enter on your keyboard. This opens Firefox's advanced configuration page, which gives you access to hidden preferences and deeper browser settings. Since this area controls advanced options, Firefox may show you a warning message before continuing. If you see the warning page, click Accept the risk and continue. This is completely normal. Firefox is just reminding you that these settings are more advanced than the usual browser options. Once you accept, you'll be taken to the configuration screen where you can search for specific preferences. At the top of the page, you'll see a search box labeled Search Preference Name. Click into that box and type browser.tabs.firefox-view. Firefox will immediately filter the results and display the matching preference related to Firefox View. Now look at the current value of that preference. If it is set to true, that means Firefox View is enabled. To disable it, click the toggle button on the right side of the preference. The value should switch from true to false. In some versions of Firefox, you may also see a plus icon or a control that lets you change the preference value. Either way, the goal is the same. Set Firefox View to false. Once you've done that, the change should take effect right away. You can close the About config page and continue browsing as normal. Firefox View should now be disabled, which can make your browser feel a little simpler and less distracting. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled Firefox View in Mozilla Firefox by changing a hidden configuration preference. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software how-tos, browser tips, and privacy settings guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.